Hey everyone, Joe here, and today we wanted to talk to you about 5 of the most important reasons that we think you should have CCTV installed at your business. Businesses face unique challenges as compared to residences, and we thought it would be a good idea to cover some of those unique challenges by explaining them and the reasons we think you should have CCTV installed there. Let's take a look. The first reason it's important to have CCTV installed at your business is very simply as a deterrent. A deterrent is anything that actively works to prevent an event of some kind from occurring. In this case, the event we'd be trying to deter is any kind of crime on site at the business. Generally, CCTV cameras are installed by professional contractors who know where to strategically position your cameras on the property and the perimeter. This results in not only the cameras capturing the best viewpoints for vulnerable areas and important ones, but also positioned properly to become deterrents. This is because the cameras will be seen in such a way that any criminal approaching will know that you have a CCTV system. Simply knowing that you have a CCTV system on site will make any criminal far less likely to want to intrude on your property. Reason number 2 is liability. Liability is the term used to describe the responsibility of any given party in an unfortunate event. For example, a business is liable for the safety and well-being of its employees and patrons or customers. If a person who is at work gets hurt on the job, or a customer gets hurt on site, the employer needs to be able to prove they are not liable for the injury due to negligence. Most employers will still be required to provide workman's compensation for the injury, but to what degree is determined by the employer's ability to show they weren't negligent. Reason number 3, insurance premiums. Insurance is another important reason to install CCTV at your business. Most insurance companies will provide some kind of discount for having CCTV installed on the premises. Insurance is a fallback plan for many of the problems that could be solved by simply having CCTV in the first place, and as such, the insurance companies see it as a good way to provide you with a discount. Reason number 4, crime evidence. The most obvious reason to have CCTV installed, and the one most people probably think of first, is evidence. Evidence can help in liability circumstances like mentioned above, but can also aid in prosecution of a criminal. Without proper evidence, any court cases that you try to follow through on proving or disproving your liability, or in prosecution, may fall through. Last but not least, our 5th reason for having a CCTV system installed is the peace of mind you, your employees, and potentially your customers will have. Simply knowing that they are protected by a deterrent provides a level of safety and emotional security any employee deserves to have when at work. Nobody should feel unsafe at their job or while out shopping. The peace of mind CCTV provides can lead to better employee productivity, and certainly customers who feel safer at your location are more likely to take their business there. Thanks for joining us today as we went over 5 of the reasons we feel you should have CCTV at your business. There are many more reasons than this, and CCTV is an incredibly important component of making sure your business is completely secure. For any information on the products we carry, compatibility or availability, give our sales pros a call at 561-288-5258. Until next time, stay safe.